Last week in Pune, the rains have been very different from the usual ones. They came down very heavily and a lot of thunderstorm along with that. And that actually caused electrical surge, and many of these societies, they actually, their elevator stopped working, and that caused a lot of trouble to a lot of people. Now I am used to the stair, and hence for me it was not a big deal. Like, okay, elevator stops working, I will take the stair anyways because I generally take it, right? But I'm very sure people who are living at a higher floor or who are not used to taking the staircase very often, right, going up, they faced a lot of trouble, right, because you are not used to it. So what happens is, elevator obviously eases the whole process of going up. However, when you are too used to it, someday when these kind of black swan event happens and the elevator stops working, then it becomes a problem for everyone, right? Now similarly, if you see, there are people who keep complaining and keep saying that every time I have to work so very hard that to get a very small thing also I have to work so very hard. Why it just happens with me? See the other guy, he's getting everything so easily, and without working very hard, he has somebody or somebody else is helping, and so on and so forth, right? You find many such people complaining about these kind of things, and sometimes it is genuine also, right? That happens. That's part of the life, right? However, everybody at some point of time looks for some sort of elevator in their professional or business life, which will help them elevate quickly to a position which is a much favorable position. And these elevators basically are nothing but being at the right place at the right time, or knowing the right person who will recommend you, or getting financial aid from somebody who can help you at the right time when you actually need the money, and so on and so forth, right? So sometimes, yes, elevator is required to everybody to make the journey easier, but then there is no substitute to hard work. If you are used to doing hard work, then whether there is an elevator or not, right, you will definitely reach your destination. That's what I feel, right? But yes, elevator makes life easier. If you have it, nothing like it. If you don't have it, no point complaining. And see, when you say being at the right place at the right time, right, at that point of time also being ready to pick up certain things is also important. Just being at the right place right time may not help if you are not ready, right? Similarly, when you enter the elevator will take you to some floor, but you still have to decide which floor, and you have to push the right button. So if you do that, then you are at the right floor, otherwise you end up at the wrong floor. So working hard is good, please don't ignore it, right? Taking the staircase is a very good thing. It helps you become better in terms of your health conditions also. So that's not a bad thing to have. But yes, sometimes everybody needs an elevator, and if you get an elevator ride, why not? Enjoy it, but don't complain about working hard. Thank you.